Here's what's next on Project C10.
All right, well, welcome back to Project C10. We've had a few issues, and what you see Rick holding here are mechanical fuel pumps. So at this point, you know, we've had the truck on the road literally for probably about a month and a half. We think we have around, you know, 150 miles, give or take. But Rick and Justin came up today to Indianapolis to take a look because our third fuel pump has already failed.
Right.
So you put in the fourth today. We went with the Edelbrock, but tell them what we think is happening here.
Well, we really don't know.
Right.
That's part of the problem. So, and we thought maybe the rod was too long or somebody made shift one, but we bought a brand new push rod for the mechanical pump. It's the exact same length as what we took out of there. It did have a small divot at the end of it. I don't think that's enough to really do anything, but we went ahead and replaced it. And the only thing that we could think of is just junk pumps, whether, I'm not sure where they were made or anything like that, or the push rod with that divot in there was too short, it's slapping. Don't know, but it almost looks like it was moved, like the rod was too long.
Right.
And it was actually stretching the diaphragm out on both of these and just literally ate it up on both of them. So, hopefully we're fourth time's the charm.
Yeah.
And I'll be honest with you, if this doesn't fix it, we're going electric fuel pump.
Right.
Tired of messing with it. It's a small block 350. You know, a mechanical pump. This has been around since the dawn of time. I even halfway thought about putting a factory replacement pump on stock.
No, I mean, it's crazy. Like, you know, obviously we've talked about in some of the videos, we expected to have a few things here or there, or maybe having to come back to stuff. But this has been the major thorn in the side. Truck's getting great reviews. Everybody loves it. Your team did a phenomenal job. It all came together, but this has been our
It runs great except for this.
Yes.
Yeah. So if anybody out there knows what causes it to chew up the diaphragms on these, please let us know. I mean, I've asked around, we've looked. There's a lot of theories, like the rod's too long or too short, or they're just terribly built fuel pumps. I don't care. Just let me know what you think, or if you've run into this, let me know. But going through 4 fuel pumps in 150 miles is not acceptable. So.
Yeah, and hopefully by that point we're not on an electric fuel pump. Hopefully this does the trick.
Yep.
We definitely have more to come. We're going to do some follow-up series, you know, just little tweaks and things that we're going to make. But so far so good. Appreciate you coming up today.
No problem.
And fingers crossed that this Edelbrock pump is the solution.
Yep.